Hey, I'm Adarian Dunmeyer with Information Security Experts, and today I'm going to show you how to create an administrator and turn them into a user inside of CA Advanced Authentication. The purpose of this is to show how master admins can create users. Inside the master admin console, after logging in, we see Create Administrator. By default, master administrators can only create administrators, but not users. At least that's the intention. So to create a user, we must first create an administrator. Clicking on Create Administrator sends us to the form where we can create our admin. You must first give your admin the default details before moving on, including what organization you want them to be an administrator over. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will name the admin Fred Flintstone and leave the organization as default organization. You can change this organization to whatever organizations you've created inside of CA Advanced Authentication. For phone numbers, you must include the country code and keep the phone number altogether. For the United States, the country code is 1, so I'll add 1 and then the 10-digit phone number. Afterwards, we'll click Next. Now, in our header, we see the username Fred Flintstone and the organization that he is an admin over, as well as their status. And the first thing we now have is role. And there are several different roles that can be separated into two categories: administrative roles and case roles. Because we're focused on administrators in this video, we'll go into global, organization, and user administrators. As a master admin, you can create these three types. Global administrators can oversee other global admins, as well as organization admins and users that fall under those scopes. As you can see, if we select global administrator, or we go down to the managers box, the all organizations box is ticked, meaning that that global administrator can oversee all of these organizations. However, if we select organization administrator, the box is unticked and we would have to select the organizations that that admin can be an administrator over. So first, we'll go back to global administrator and set their password. And afterwards, we will click Next. And as you can see, we've successfully created the administrator. Now we will select the Users and Administrators tab so that we can search for our user. To search for our user, we can enter in any of their attributes or just click Search to pull up a query with all users. So first, let's enter Fred for their first name and hit Search. And as you can see, our user has been populated into Advanced Authentication with their role and their user status. And if we select Fred Flintstone, it'll show all the information that we input. So now let's click Edit. And as we scroll down, we click Next. And you'll see a tab that says Update Administrator Details. When we click Update Administrator Details, we can scroll down. And now you'll see a button that says Change Role to User. So we will select that, click OK, and it will say that we successfully demoted the administrator to user. And this is how you create a user as a master administrator. We've created an administrator and then demoted their role status to a user. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos from ISX.